We had the best time in Antigua, Guatemala, but I did want to make a short video of tips and tricks, just things that I wish that we would have known prior. Um, and also the other thing is we read about how dangerous Guatemala is and how unsafe Guatemala is. And when we got there, when we got into Antigua, we did not ever feel unsafe. It was one of the nicest places that we've ever visited. And the people there were just amazing, just incredible humans. And we really, really enjoyed ourselves and didn't feel unsafe at all. In order to make it a safe trip, we did hire transportation to pick us up from the airport, which is located right outside of Guatemala City, to Antigua, Guatemala. With the conversion rate, going out to eat and services like massage and facials were extremely inexpensive in Antigua. The restaurants there were amazing. The food was so good. And also, there's so much lush and plants all around you while you ate. And they also had a ton of options for vegetarians. You can see active volcanoes from all over Antigua. And also, you can even hike a volcano right outside of Antigua if you'd like while you're there, and roast marshmallows on it. June is actually during the winter for Antigua, so it was pretty chilly while we're there. Something you definitely want to check out is their seasons and what the weather will be like. There's a lot of different things to do when you're in Antigua. There's markets going on all the time in Central Park. There's also different churches that you can explore. There's lots of hiking. Everything within the town itself is in walking distance. It is also really good to know that there are dogs that roam all around the city, and they will come up to you without their owners. And that can be alarming if you're not aware that that is something that might happen. But I will say that all of the street dogs were so friendly, so well groomed. None of them barked, none of them begged. They were just, it was amazing. The Spanish schools in Antigua are absolutely incredible. They are fast paced and really pack it in. You can learn to speak Spanish in such a short amount of time by attending a school there. And a lot of the schools you can actually rent rooms from and stay at the school, but also there are a ton of hotels. If you have any questions about Antigua or what it's like to travel there, go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to respond.